Hi everyone. Today's topic is profit and loss. This is a an extension of percentages. Okay. So whenever you are dealing with profit and loss, you should know few formulas. Okay. How the formulas will come into the picture, we'll see one by one. Okay. Let's talk about the terms in this particular topic. Okay. You brought one article for 5 rupees. Okay. You sold it for 6 rupees. So you brought it. So this is what your cost price. You sold it. This is what your selling price. Then what you're going to get here? One. Yeah. So definitely you're going to get your profit. The profit is what here? 1 rupee. Okay. So how we are getting 1 rupee? Yeah. So the profit means which is equals to what? Selling price minus cost price. Profit is equals to what, guys? Selling price minus cost price. So people will ask you, what is the profit percentage? What is the profit percentage? What is the profit percentage? Pause the video and try to get your answer. So the profit percentage here is, okay, the profit percentage here is, so you should know profit percentage formula. What is that? Profit by cost price, okay, into 100. Again, this is what we are comparing. Profit, to whom we are comparing with cost price. So the profit percentage which is equals to profit is how much, guys? 1. Okay. Cost price, what is cost price? 5 into 100. So 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what, guys? 20 percentage. 1 by 5 is what? 20 percentage. Okay. Let's take, you brought for one article for 6 rupees. You sold it for 5 rupees. You sold it for 5 rupees. So 6 rupees is your cost price. 6 rupees is your cost price. 5 rupees is your selling price. 5 rupees is your selling price. So what is the loss now? The loss is nothing but what? 1 rupee. But how loss coming to the picture? So cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. So what is loss percentage? So loss percentage will be loss by, okay, CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. Then loss percentage is going to be what? 1 upon CP. What is CP? 6 into 100 into 100. So 1 by 6. What is 1 by 6? 16.66 percentage. 16.66 percentage. Okay, so from this particular point, you need to understand 2 points here. Okay, you need to understand 2 points here. What are the points? Okay, the points, profit. When you are in profit, always your selling price is more. So I can say when SP is more than CP, you are in profit. Yes or no? So this will refers to what? This will refers to what? Profit. When CP is more than SP, okay, this will leads you to what? To get loss. Okay, so if you know these two concepts and if you know profit percentage, loss percentage, you can get your answers. Okay, so let me write all the formulas once again. So look at here. So first, profit. Profit means what? SP minus CP. Okay, loss. Loss means what? CP minus SP. Okay, profit percentage. What you are comparing in profit percentage? Profit with what? Cost price into 100. But you can rewrite profit as what? You can rewrite profit as what? Profit means what? SP minus CP. So you can write this as SP minus CP by CP into 100. SP minus CP by CP into 100. Yeah, loss percentage. What is loss percentage? Yeah, a loss. You are comparing with what? Cost price into 100. So that is nothing but CP minus SP by CP into 100. Okay, CP into 100. Guys, if you remember these formulas, guys, most probably we can solve every question without using a formula. Okay, without using a formula. So that's it. These is the only formulas which you have in your profit and loss particular concept. Okay, so please note down all these formulas. Let's get into the topic. Let's get started with particular questions. Okay, chalo, please write down question number one. Please write down question number one. Please write down question number one. By selling an article for rupees, by selling an article for rupees 810, by selling an article for rupees 810, 810, 810, Abhi gets a loss of 10%. Abhi gets a loss of 10%. Abhi gets a loss of 10%. Find the cost price. Find the cost price. Find the cost price. Yeah. Pause the video and try to answer your question. I hope you pause the video and try to get your answer. Let's see the solution. Let's see the solution. Yeah. So he sold it for what price? 810. 810. So 810 means this is what your SP. SP. By what percent loss? Yeah, he's selling about loss percentage. What is the loss percentage? 10% loss. 10% loss. Okay, 10% loss. Yeah. So what do you want? You need what? Cost price. So cost price is how much? Cost price is how much you need. So yes, just now we saw formulas. So loss percentage. What is loss percentage formula? Yeah, CP minus SP by CP into 100. Yes, loss percentage 10%. CP, I don't know CP. So let me take CP is X. X minus SP is what? 810 by X into 100. So you can take this as 10 by 100, which is equals to X minus 810. Okay, by X into 100. So if you rearrange the situation, you will get X which is equals to 900. X which is equals to 900. This is, one way of solving. Okay, this is with the formula. If you calculate the things, you can get your answer. Okay, but this is not appreciated way to solve the questions. Then what is the way? Okay, then what is the way? Look at here, guys. Look at here. Guys, always remember, you want cost price. Already selling price was given and he is talking about the loss percentage. What is the loss percentage? 10%. 10%. So remember always, your cost price is always 100%. Your cost price is always what? 100%. Okay, your cost price is always what? 100%. So this is your article. You brought it for 100%. You brought it for what percent? 100%. If you brought it for 100%, so this is your CP. This is your CP. Why? At the time of selling, you are selling it only for 90%. You are selling it only for this much price. So this is what your loss. The loss is what? 10%. If you are getting 10% loss and you brought it for 100, then you are selling at what price? Obviously, yeah, the balance. The balance is what, guys? 90%. 90%. So according to the percentages, your selling price is what? 90%. Yes, this 90% value was given in the question. What is that? What is that? Yeah, if 90%, which is equals to 810, which is equals to 810, then 100%, which is equals to how much? Which is equals to how much? So cross multiplication, 0, 0 get cancelled, 9 ones are 9 nines are, yeah, if 1% is 9, then 100% is going to be what, guys? 900. 100% is going to be what? 900. So then the cost price of an article is what, guys? 900. 900. 900. Now you can verify your answer. Okay, you can verify your answer. 10%. Calculate 10% of 900. It's going to be 90. 90 is what? Loss. 90 is what? Loss. What is your SP? What is your SP? 810. Yes. From 900, if I subtract 90, then only I'll get what? 810. So then my answer is correct. My answer is correct. But after some people will do like this. Some people will do like this. This is the, take care of, you need to take care of this particular point. SP, selling price. Guys, selling price was given 810. Some people calculate the loss is 10%. So they'll calculate 10% of this, which means 81. So they'll add 810, 81, okay, and they end up with 891. End up with 891. Guys, this is wrong. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Okay, why this is wrong? You need to understand. Why this is wrong? Because profit loss is always calculated only on cost price, not on selling price. 810 is what, guys? Selling price. So profit or loss is always calculated only on cost price, not on selling price. That's what you need to understand. So that is the main point. So please write down a note. Note. Profit or loss. Profit or loss. Profit or loss is always calculated is always calculated only on is always calculated only on cost price. Only on cost price. Only on cost price. Only on cost price. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. Write down. By selling an article for rupees. By selling an article for rupees. 13,200. By selling an article for rupees 13,200. 13,200. 13,200. Mahesh gets a profit of 10%. Mahesh gets a profit of 10%. Mahesh gets a profit of 10%. Find the cost price. Find the cost price. Now there is no chance of using your particular formula. Okay, so now what he is talking about? Yeah, he is given selling price. What is the selling price? 13,200. Okay, and he is saying about a profit. Profit is what? 10%. Profit is what? 10%. Okay, always remember, friends, loss means which is always less than 100. Profit means which is always more than 100. So now, what to become your cost price? I don't know cost price. I need to figure it out cost price. But you know your cost price is always what percent? 100%. When your cost price is 100%, your selling price will become what? 110%. Your selling price will become what? 110%. Why? You brought it for 100 and you are selling 10% extra. So that will become 110. So that's it. 110%, which is equals to 13,200. Then 100%, which is equals to how much? Okay, which is equals to how much? 0, 0, cancel. 11 ones are 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, and a 0. So 1% is 120, then 100% is going to be 12,000. 100% is going to be what? 12,000. Okay, 100% is going to be what? 12,000. But you can verify your answer. Okay, on 12,000, what is 10%, friends? On 12,000, the 10% is going to be what? 1,200. So add 1,200 to 12,000. So 12,000 plus 1,200, that's going to be what? 13,200. That's going to be what? 13,200. So this will become your what? SP. So you can see one interesting thing here. So SP is equals to, you can say, cost price plus profit. Okay, you can say cost price plus profit. Okay, cost price plus profit. Done with this particular question? Done with this particular question, everybody? Yes. So let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Let's go to the next. Try to solve this particular question, everybody. Yeah. Man purchased an article for 320 and sold it for 400. Profit percentage. Very easy one. Okay. Man purchased an article for 320 and sold it for 400. Find the profit percentage. So cost price is 320. Selling price is 400. Okay. Now you can say profit is what, guys? 80. What is asking? Profit percentage. What is profit percentage? Profit by cost price into 100. What is profit? 80. What is cost price? 320. Okay, into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8. How many times? 8 fours are 32. So 1 by 4. According to percentages, 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4, guys? What is 1 by 4? 25%. What is 1 by 4? 25%. Okay, 25%. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question, please. A man purchased an article for 400. A man purchased an article for 400 and he sold it for 20% again. Then selling price is how much? Yes, pretty easy question. A man purchased an article for 400 and sold it for 20% gain. Guys, look at here. Purchased means what? Cost price. Cost price is what? 400 rupees. Okay. And a gain. Gain means what? Profit percentage. Gain means what? Profit percentage. What is the profit percentage? 20%. What is the profit percentage? 20%. So you have to calculate 20% on which value? 400. Yes, very, very easy. On 400, what is 20%? Everybody know how to calculate. On 400, 20%, 20 by 100. Two zeros will get cancelled. Okay. 4 twos are what? 80. No need of, this part. You can do it. So the profit is what here? 80. Profit is what? 80. You want SP. What is SP? Cost price plus profit. What is cost price, Nana? 400. What is profit? 80. So then selling price is what? Then selling price is what? 480. Then selling price is what? 480. Okay, then selling price is what? 480. Next, we'll go to the next question. Okay, we'll go to the next question. I hope we're done. We'll go to the next question. A man sold an article for rupees 500, gain 25%. Find the cost price. He's asking in a reverse way. He's asking in a reverse way. A man sold an article for rupees 400, rupees 500, and at a gain of 25%. Find the cost price. Guys, we know cost price. Cost price always what percent? 100%. Cost price always what percent, guys? 100%. Yeah, there is a gain. Gain means what? Profit percentage. What is the profit percentage? 25%. 25%. What is SP? What is SP? SP is what? What is saying? 500. What is saying? 500. No. So when SP is 500, yeah, SP means what? Cost price plus profit. So that is nothing but what? 125%. 125%. So I can say 125%, which is equals to 125%, which is equals to, okay, 125%, which is equals to 500. Then 100%, which is equals to how much? 100%, which is equals to how much? So if you calculate this, so let me write here separately. 125%, which is equals to 500, and 100%, which is equals to how much? So if you calculate this, 125 once, 4 times. Okay, then 1%, which is equals to 4, then 100%, which is equals to what, guys? 400. 400. Okay, 400. So cost price of that particular article is what, guys? 400. The cost price of particular article is what? 400. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. A man brought 2 cows for the same price. He sold both cows, one at 10% profit and other at 10% loss. Find the overall profit or loss percentage. Pause the video and try to answer it. Okay, pause the video and try to answer this particular question. Answer this particular question. Okay. I hope done with your answer. I hope done with your answer. Look at here. A man brought 2 cows for the same price. Okay. A man brought 2 cows for the same. So this is the first variety. This is the second cow. Okay. Cost price. Same price he said. So same price, you can take any value. So same price, I am taking 100, 100. I am taking what? 100, 100. Okay. So cost price is 100. Both cows cost price are 100. What happened? He sold both cows one at a 10% profit. So selling price. Selling price is what? 10% profit. So 110. One at a 10% loss. Loss means what? 90. Loss means what? 90. So yeah, so total. So what happened to total? Okay, together. 100 plus 100 is what? 200. 100 plus 100 is what? 200. 110 plus 90 is what? 110 plus 90 is what? 200. 200. So you need to understand one point. You brought an article for both articles for 200, you sold it for 200. Okay, so you brought it for the same price, you sold it for the same price. So is there any profit loss concept? No. So the overall profit or loss percentage is what, guys? 0, 0, 0. Okay, so whenever the situation occurs like this, okay, then the answer is what? No profit, no loss. Answer is what? No profit, no loss. Please write down a note. Please write down a note. When, when cost price of two articles is same, when cost price of two articles are same, by selling the first article, X% profit, by selling the first article at X% profit, by selling the second article at X% loss, then the overall profit or loss percentage is no profit, no loss. Okay, so understand. He brought it for the same price means please underline the cost price is same. Okay, cost price is same. Okay, so same X% profit and X% loss. Then the answer is going to be what? Okay, no profit, no loss. Okay, so this is one of the situation. Okay, let's go to the next variety of questions. Okay, let's go to the next variety of questions. Go to the next question. Here we go. Okay, you can see one question here. A man brought two horses. A man brought two horses. Okay. He sold both horses at the same price. He sold both horses at the same price. So one at 20% profit and other at 20% loss. So find his overall profit or loss percentage. Find his overall profit or loss percentage. Guys, for better understanding, I'm taking a value 1200. Okay, see, because so for better understanding only, I took this particular value. Okay, so yeah, so please understand the question. A man brought two horses. Okay, he sold both the horses for the rupees 1200. Okay, One at 20% profit and another at 20% loss. Find the overall profit or loss percentage. Guys, please understand. So let me solve in a general way of solving. So look at here. He sold both horses for 1200. Means what? The selling price of two articles is same. Okay. Did he mention the cost price is same? No. In the previous question, cost price is same. Okay. So that is the difference between that question and this question. Okay. So now look at here. There are two articles. First one and second one. Two horses. Okay. Cost price. I don't know. Selling price. I know. What are the selling prices? This is 1200. This is also 1200. Okay. Yeah, you need to understand. Let me take here first article. What is the selling price? 1200. What is the selling price? 1200. Okay. Yeah, when selling price is 1200, okay, guys, 1 at 20% profit means what, guys? 120%, no? Yes or no? So selling price is what? 120%. So guys, overall you need to understand. Overall you want profit or loss percentage. Profit or loss percentage. Profit or loss is always calculated on what? Cost price. So our agenda is what? To calculate what? Cost price. Okay, how we are getting our cost price is important. So 120%, which is equals to this. So cost price always what? 100%. Then 100% equals to how much? Then 100% equals to what? 1000. So first article you can say it as what? 1000. So you brought it for 1000, you sold it for 1200. That's why you are getting 20% profit. Now let's talk about the second horse. Yeah, selling price is what? Same 1200. But the point is what? 20% loss. 20% loss means what? 80%. Yes, 80% is 1200. Then 100% is how much? 80% is 1200. Then 100% is how much? So calculate the things. 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8 15. So 100% what you're going to get here? 1500. 100% what you're going to get here? 1500. Okay, so let me calculate the total value. Let me erase this. I hope you done with these particular values. So let me erase these things. Okay, so now let's get into, yeah, so I'm sorry. So total, what is the total, ma? Yeah, total. Yeah, total cost price is what? 2500. Okay, total selling price is what? 2400. Oh, I brought it for, that fellow brought it for 2500 and sold it for 2400. So definitely that fellow, where he will be there? That fellow in loss. How many rupees loss? 100 rupees loss. But he's asking what? Profit or loss percentage. So definitely that fellow is going to get what? Loss percentage. How we are going to calculate loss percentage? Loss by cost price into 100. Yes or no? So what is loss? Yes, loss is 100. What is cost price? 2500 into what? 100. So two zeros cancel. 25 ones, 25 fours. So then the last percentage is what? 4%. Then the last percentage is what, guys? 4%. 4%. Guys, there is one particular shortcut for this particular question. Okay. So we got our 4%, but it will take a lot of time to calculate in this method. What is the other way around? So please write down a note. Okay, note 2. What is the condition here? What is the condition here? Selling price was same. In previous question, what is same? Cost price is same. So now please write down a note. When selling price of two articles are same, when selling price of two articles are same, okay, by selling the first article at by selling the first article at X% profit, by selling the first article at X% profit, X% profit, and the other at X% loss, X% loss, X% loss, then overall loss, overall loss. Guys, in this particular question, you are always going to get what? Loss only. Then the overall loss, okay, the loss percentage, overall loss is equals to x square by 100. The overall loss is equals to what, guys? X square by 100. Please look at here, x square by 100. Okay. Guys, in the previous thing, okay, let me, wait a minute. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, in this particular thing, 1200 in place of 1200, if I put x also, I end up with the same solution. Okay, in x we'll calculate 20%, that will change, yes or no? So if you took 120, again you end up with a 4%. So the point is this: when selling price is same percent profit, same percent loss, so definitely you are in the loss. So in this particular situation, always you are in the loss. That's what you need to understand. Always you are in the loss. Okay, always you are in the loss. So that loss percentage is what? The loss percentage, which is equals to x square by 100% loss. X square by 100% loss, where x is nothing but what? 20%. So what is, okay, let me put it in this way: 20 square by 100. What is 20 square? 400 by 100. So that is nothing but 4% loss. 4% loss. Okay, that is nothing but what, guys? 4% loss. So answer for this question is what? 4% loss. Okay, 4% loss. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. A sold an iron box to B at a 20% profit. B sold the same to C at a 10% profit. If C paid 528 for the iron box, find A's cost price. Please pause the video and try to answer your question. Okay. I hope done with your answer. A sold an iron box to B at 20% profit. Okay. A sold an iron box to B. A sold an iron box to B at a 20% profit. So A, B. Okay. So let's say A brought it for 100 rupees. So 20% profit, no? So you need to understand A cost price is 100, A selling price is 120. But you need to understand again, A selling price is nothing but B cost price. Okay. B sold the same to C at 10% profit. B sold the same to C at 10% profit. Okay, so B sold it to C at 10% profit. So what is 10% of 120? Don't write 130 here, please. Yeah, 10%. So here 20% means 20 extra. Okay, here 10%. What is 10% means what? 12. So 120 plus 12 is what? 132. Okay, 132. Yeah, 132. Okay, so 132, C paid how many? 528. C paid how many? 528. So 132, which is equals to 528. 528. Okay, 528. Then he's asking what? Find the A's cost price. What is A cost price? 100. Then 100 which is equals to, see, look at here. If I took 100, I end up with 132. But according to the question, this 132 is what? 528. So 132, which is equals to 528, then 100 equals to what? So if you calculate that, what you're going to get? You're going to get your answer as what? 400. You're going to get your answer as what, guys? 400. Okay, 400. Let's go to the next variety of questions. If the selling price of 10 apples is equals to cost price of if the selling price of 10 apples which is equals to cost price of 12 apples, then find the profit or loss percentage. Then find the profit or loss percentage. So look at here. Forget about the apple. So please understand the situation. If the selling price of 10 apples which is equals to cost price of 12 apples, guys, will do in a traditional way, then we'll all together will do in a good way of solving. Okay, look at here. The selling price of 10 apples equals to cost price of 12 apples. So 10 SP, which is equals to, okay, 12 CP. 12 CP. So from this, if you rearrange the situation, SP by CP, which is equals to 12 by 10. 12 by 10. So ask yourself a question. He brought it for 10 rupees. He's selling it for 12 rupees. He brought it for 10 rupees. He's selling it for 12 rupees. So definitely that fellow is going to get what? Profit. What profit? 2 rupees as profit. What profit? 2 rupees as profit. Okay. What is the profit percentage? Yeah, profit by CP into 100. Okay, yeah, profit is what? 2. What is CP? 10 into 100. So okay, so 1 by 5. 1 by 5 what? Everybody know 1 by 5 what, guys? 20 percentage. So the profit percentage here is what, guys? 20 percentage. Okay, 20 percentage. But this is a long way of solving. This is a long way of solving. Okay, then how to solve this particular question? How to solve this particular question? So ask yourself a question. Okay, look at this. The moment you read, 10 SP, which is equals to 12 CP, means what? There are total 12 apples. There are total 12 apples. Okay, there are total 12 apples. The selling price of 10 apples equals to, you sold 10 apples out of 12. By selling these 10 apples, okay, by selling these 10 apples, you are able to get 12 apples cost price. Means already what you have invested, you already got it. Yes or no? So if you sold the remaining two, that is your profit only, no? That is your what? Profit. So you need to understand by looking at the question, 10 SP, which is equals to 12 CP. Yes, you are selling 10. Okay, you are selling 10, but you are getting what? 12. But you are getting what? 12. Means you are in profit. You are in profit. Guys, I want to clear this point. Profit or loss is always calculated only on cost price. Okay, okay, only on cost price. And one more point, if you are selling your goods, if you are selling your goods, okay, if you are selling your goods, what, you know 10 SP and 12 CP, don't think that selling price is 10 rupees, cost price is 12 rupees. No, Yes, after reading this question, you have decided that you are in profit, guys. When you are in profit, okay, when you are in profit, your cost price is more than, okay, when you are in profit, your selling price is more than your cost price. Okay, there are two values in the question. There are two values in the question. When you are in profit, when you are in profit, your selling price is more. Okay, your selling price is more, so this will become your SP. Your cost price is less, this will become your CP. Simple. When if you want to profit or loss, always calculate only on cost price. How to figure out cost price? Simple. When you are in profit, your cost price is less. When you are in loss, your cost price is more. Now, what is the difference? The difference only profit or loss. What is the difference here? Two. Yeah, according to the question, you are getting profit. That is already, when you are in profit, you are going to compare with what? Cost price. What is the cost price? 10. So 2 by 10 into 100, that will give you what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what, guys? 20%. That's it. 1 by 5 is what? 20%. Okay, 1 by 5 is what? 20%. Okay, please understand. After reading the question, please understand whether you are getting profit or loss. Okay, once you are getting profit, your cost price should be small. What is the smallest value among these two? This is the smallest value. Yeah, when you are in profit, the difference only profit. What is the difference to? What is the smallest value? 10 into 100. So that will give you what? 20%. That will give you what, guys? 20%. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next question. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. If the selling price of 12 oranges equals to cost price of 8 oranges. Yeah, now please ask yourself a question. Ask yourself a question. Okay, ask yourself a question. What you need to understand? The selling price of 12 oranges, which is equals to cost price of 10 oranges. In a general way, you can do it. How? 12 SP, which is equals to 8 CP. Okay, so from this, what you can write? SP by CP, which is equals to 8 by 12. Done. Your cost price is 12, your selling price is 8, so you are in loss. Loss of how many? 4 rupees. Loss percentage. Loss by CP. What is CP? 12 into 100. So 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. What is 1 by 3? 33.33%. 33.33%. Okay, but the point is this. But the point. But the point is if you are doing like this, it will take a lot of time to calculate it. What is the best way? What is the best way to solve? I told you SP of 12 oranges equals to CP of 8 oranges. Guys, listen. There are 12 oranges. Okay, there are 12 oranges. He sold all the 12. Okay, he sold all the 12, but he is getting only the cost price of 8 oranges. Whatever you brought 8 oranges, that price only you'll get. So remaining 4 oranges, you are in loss only, no? So that means what? Yeah, so you are selling 12, but you are getting only 8. Means what? You are in loss. That's it. Loss. Loss of how many? So when you are in loss, your cost price should be more. When you are in loss, your cost price should be more. What is the loss? Difference is the loss. So what is the difference? 4. So loss is 4. Okay, your cost price is what, guys? 12. So what is the loss percentage? 4 by 12 into 100. So 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is what? 33.33%. 33.33%. Guys, this is not a mug up thing. This is a purely concept based. Look at here. Look at here. 2 points you need to understand. When you are in profit, okay, when you are in profit, your cost price should be, okay, your cost price should be less. when you are in loss, your cost price should be more. Okay, when you are in loss, your cost price should be more. Okay, always the difference only profit or loss. So I can say after deciding whether you are in profit, so your profit percentage is nothing but difference by difference by smallest value into 100. Whether you are in loss, again the difference by, okay, highest value into 100. So that's how you can get your two answers. That's how you can get your two answers. Okay, that's how you can get your two answers. Next question. Okay, next question. Please, please try to a trader a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price but using a weight of 800 grams, okay, instead of a kilogram. Find his profit percent. So please understand the question. Please understand the question. A trader uses, he is giving only 800 grams instead of what? Instead of what? 1000 grams. 1 kilogram, which is equals to what? 1000 grams. So he is giving 800 grams instead of 1000 grams. Okay. So he is asking profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage. So please, pause the video and try to answer it. Please pause the video and try to answer this question. Yeah, wait a minute. Let me set up the things. You guys can try. Yeah, now look at here. Guys, please understand, there is a weighing machine. You want 1 kg of sugar. You want 1 kg of sugar. There is a digital meter. And there is a bowl. So you are pouring the sugar. You are pouring the sugar. Guys, look at here. According to the question, that the trader is cheating us. Instead of giving a kilogram, he is giving only 800 grams. So already he set up the things. So when you pour 800 grams, what it will show? 1000 grams. What it will show? 1000 grams. Let's say 1 gram which is equals to 1 rupee. 1 gram which is equals to 1 rupee means what, friends? Yes, cost price and selling price. Please understand very carefully. Yes, I am pouring 800 grams. So for the trader, his cost price, because he is giving only 800 grams, so his cost price is what? 800. But you are paying how many rupees? You are paying how many rupees? 1000 rupees. You are paying how many rupees? 1000 rupees. Yes or no? So when you are paying 1000 rupees, okay, when you are paying 1000 rupees, so your selling price, that the trader selling price is what? 1000. The trader selling price is what? 1000. So the trader is going to get a profit of what? 200. Profit of what? 200. What is the profit percentage? Yeah, profit by cost price into 100. Profit by cost price into 100. So what is the profit here? 200. What is the cost price? 800 into 100. So 200. So two ones are two fours. So 1 by 4 is what, guys? 25%. 1 by 4 is what? 25%. Okay, 1 by 4 is what? 25%. Always people end up with this answer called what? 20%. But please mind it, it's not 20%. It is what? 25%. Okay, please understand the things. How 25%? Look at here. That fellow is pouring only 800 grams. Okay, for that fellow, the cost price is at 800, but you are paying how many thousand? When you are paying thousand, you have to give 1,000 rupees to that fellow. So that fellow is getting a profit of what? 200 rupees. Okay, 200 rupees. Please understand. Trader sells his goods at cost price. This is the keyword here. Okay, no one is going to sell their goods at cost price. If they are selling their goods at cost price, they are doing a fraud. Okay, they are doing what? A fraud kind of thing. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next question. So similar kind of question. Yeah, what is saying? A cloth merchant, a cloth merchant, yeah, a cloth merchant gives 80 centimeters of cloth for a meter. Okay, he's giving, yeah, for 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter, he's giving only 80 centimeters. Okay, he's giving only 80 centimeters. Okay, find his profit percentage. Find his profit percentage. So please pause the video and try to figure it out. Okay, figure it out. Everybody know 1 meter. 1 meter means what? 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. There is a cloth, big cloth. This is 100 centimeters, but that fellow is giving only 80 centimeters. So the remaining 20 is what? Remaining 20 is what? His profit. So please understand cost price and selling price. Okay, 1 meter cost is 1 centimeter cost is 1 rupee. So 1 meter, which is equals to 100 centimeters. I am assuming 1 centimeter cost is 1 rupee. Then for that particular merchant, he is giving only 80 centimeters for 1 meter cloth. So his cost price is what, guys? 80. But his selling price, at the time you are paying for 1 meter, you need to pay what? 100 rupees. No. So your selling price is what? 100. Your cost price is 80. Your selling price is 100. So what is your profit? 20. So what is the profit percentage? This 20 is profit on which value? 80. So into 100. So 20 ones are 24s are. So what is 1 by 4? 25%. What is 1 by 4, guys? 25%. Okay, 25%. Okay, 25%. So that's that. These kind of questions. You need to take care of these kind of questions. Okay, these kind of questions. Next, next question. Next question. A trader. What is saying? A trader by selling an article for rupees 360, a man at a loss of 10% to gain 15%, what price should be sold? Pause the video and try to answer it. Okay, I hope you pause the video and try it. By selling an article for 360, a man lost at 10%. Guys, look at here. Selling price. So SP is what? 360. And that fellow is getting 10% loss. So loss percentage is what? 10. The moment you hear loss percentage, your selling price in your mind should think about 90. 90% is 360. Okay, 90% is 360. Okay, when 90% is 360, let's calculate 0, 9 ones are 9 fours are 1% is 4, then 100% is what? 400. 400. That fellow need a profit of what? 15%. Okay, that fellow need a profit of what? 15%. So you need to figure it out. What is 115%? What is 115%? Okay, so calculate 15% of that particular value. Okay, and get your answer. Yes, look at here, 100% is 400, then 115% equals, look at here. So 10% is what, guys? 40. So 5% is what? 20. So total is what? 60. So extra 60. So that is nothing but 460. So if we sold it for 460, guys, no need of calculating this thing. So you can say directly 90%, which is equals to 360, then 100%, which is equals to how much? So if you, not 100%, I'm sorry, 115%, 115% equals to how much? So if you calculate that, you can get your answer. Okay, you can get your answer. Okay, you can get your answer. So now we'll see questions based on market price. So how market price coming to the picture? How market price coming to the picture? Let's say let's say, guys, look at here, man. Guys, look at here. See, you brought one article for 100 rupees. So this will become your what? Cost price. Okay. So let's say a pen cost is 100 rupees. So which is 100 rupees for you. Okay. So if a customer come to your shop and if you will say like this, sir, I brought it for 100 rupees. So I need to pay rent for this room. So give me 30 rupees. He will give. No one will give like that. So you increase the price. So you increase the price and you will say, so this is nothing but market price. So which is marked over there. Okay. So how much percent you have increased? 50%. So this is profit percentage. Sorry, marked up percentage. So what is that? 50. So the moment you say 150, he'll give 150. No, they bargain. So they'll ask for a discount. So let's say you are giving a discount of 10%. You are giving a discount of 10%. Okay, so what is 10% of 150? 15 rupees discount. 15 rupees discount. So 150. 150. So 150. So 15 rupees discount. So your selling price is what? 150 minus 15. So that is nothing but 135. So you brought it for 100. You are selling it for 135. So you can say your profit is what? 35 rupees. Your profit percentage is what? 35 rupees. So here 2 points you need to understand. Here 2 points you need to understand. Okay, market price is always above the cost price. Market price is always what? Above the cost price. Discount is always market price minus selling price. Look at here. Here I got 15 as discount. How? 150 minus 135. Okay, so discount is always market price minus selling price. So discount percentage, you are comparing discount with what? Market price into 100. With what? Market price into 100. So the discount percentage, which is equals to, discount means what? Market price minus selling price by market price into 100. Market price into 100. So the discount percentage is always, okay, yeah, the point here is this. The point here is this. So discount is always calculated only on market price. Discount is always calculated only on market price. Okay, discount means what? Market price minus selling price. Discount percentage is what? Market price minus selling price by market price into 100. If you want to be good in profit and loss, 2 points are very, very important. Profit loss is always calculated only on cost price. Okay, discount is always calculated. Discount is always calculated, okay, only on market price. If you know these two things, you can do wonders in, okay, profit and loss. You can do wonders in profit and loss. Okay, so let's go to the next set of questions. Let's try to solve questions based on market price kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay, a trader a trader marked an article 20% above the a trader marked an article 20% above the cost price and gives a discount of 10%, find the profit percentage. Look at here. Cost price, I don't know. Let me assume cost price is 100. Okay. Market price. What is the market price? I don't know. But he's saying what 20% above the cost price. So then market price will become what? 120. Okay. And there is a discount. Discount always given on what market price. Okay. Discount. What is a discount? 10%. What is 10% of 120? 12. What is 10% of 120? 12. So 120 minus 12. 120 minus 12. That's going to be what? 108. This 108 is what? Selling price. Okay. So you brought it for 100. You sold it for 108. Then the profit is what, guys? 8 rupees. What is the profit percentage? 8 by 8 by yeah, so the profit percentage about 8 by 100 into 100, that will give you what? 8% as your profit. Okay, 8% as your profit. So here two things you need to understand. Discount is 10%. 10% means what? 12. It's not 10. So discount is what? 12 rupees. So 100 rupees, 120, 108. So 120 minus 12, that will give you what? 108. That will give you what? 108. Okay, that will give you what? 108. Okay, so that's how you can end your answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, what is that question talks about? A trader gives, okay, a trader gives discount of 20% and makes, okay, a trader gives a discount of 20% and makes a profit of 20%. By what percent does he marks the article above the cost price? The reverse way of solving, the reverse way of asking the question. Okay, the reverse way of asking the question. Look at here. A trader gives a discount of 20% and marks a profit of, I don't know cost price, guys. I don't know selling price also, but let me assume cost price is 100. Yeah, there is a profit of 20%. Profit or loss always calculated on what? Okay, cost price. Okay, so 20% profit. So your selling price is what? 120. Your selling price is what? 120. That's where your logic, you should be logical. How? Look at here. So a trader gives a discount of 20% and makes a profit of 20%. Guys, what is the discount that fellow is giving? 20%. Guys, 20% discount that fellow is giving means, guys, after a discount only selling price will come into the picture, no? So when the discount is 20%, ask yourself a question. When the discount is 20%, then the selling price is what? 80%. Then the selling price is what? 80%. But I know 80% which is equals to what? 120. I know 80% which is equals to what? 120. Then what do you want? Then what do you want? According to the discount, okay, according to the discount, so you want market price, guys. According to the discount, your market price is what? Always 100%. So 100% is how much? So if you calculate this, you will get market price as what, guys? 150. You will get market price as what, guys? 150. So when the market price is 150, so what he is asking, so by what percent does he marks article above the cost price? So above the cost price is what percent, guys? 50%. Above the article is what percent? 50%. So that is your answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah. Yeah. Two successive discounts of 20% each and equal and single discount is what? See, he is talking about what? Let's say you brought one article for, this is a market price. First discount is what? 20%. Means what? 20 rupees. So then your price will become 80. and 80 again there is a 20% discount. Okay, and 80 again there is a 20% discount. Guys, 20% of 80 is what? 16. It's not again 20. So there is a single discount, after all this transaction, if someone asks you what is the single discount, the single discount is what? 36 rupees. It's not 20 plus 20 40. It's not 20 plus 20 40. Then the answer here is what, guys? 36 rupees. Okay, 36 rupees. Okay, guys, that's all for profit and loss and discounts. Okay, that's all for profit and loss and your discounts. Okay, so thanks for being in my session. Have a great day. Thank you.